Hey guys, it's Annette here, and today I'm going to be mixing up all my slimes. And this is my first video, so please get this video to 500 likes and let's get started. So the first slime I have is this really nice blue slime. It's actually really silky and soft. So yeah, I'm going to be grabbing a little piece of it. I didn't actually. But I just did it for fun because I like doing stuff for fun, like doing videos. I don't know if I'm going to upload it. I made a little piece of a little bit. Well, I actually did like half of my slimes I mixed, but I made new slime, so yeah. Then I did the mixing. I'm not going to add that much today because, well, I have a lot of slimes and I don't want it to be such a humongous batch. So this slime is running out because of the last one I put a lot. So yeah. Next I have this really nice purple slime. It's actually my fluffy slime. It's really nice and soft. Now this is soft slime, so yeah. So I'm gonna add this much because I don't want it to be that much slime. Because I have a lot more coming in, so I'm just going to put them to the side. Next I have this really cool red one. It's in a Ziploc bag. Ew. Maybe a little wet, but I don't care. Because I'm just focusing on mixing my slimes. So yeah. This red one. Ew. Ew. And I went to Disneyland yesterday, so if you see that I'm a little tired, then yeah, because I went to Disneyland. And guys, go check out my Musical.ly account. It's called @AnnetteLizetteRennell. So yeah, go check that out. Please subscribe and like on my Musical.ly account too. I love all of my followers. I have a lot of followers. I have 300 something followers. Followers. 300 something like that. And a little more of this. Because the last one I did was green and purple. So this one is blue, purple, green, and red. See, this might be thinking, oh my god, I'm going so quick. Well, it's because I am going quick, actually. So, yeah. I'm going to mix it at the end. Next, I have this green slime. I call my green slime Swampy. I don't really name all my slimes. I just named this slime Swampy because it's green and the swamp color. So, yeah. This next one I have is a white one. And then this one Crystal. And if you might hear, well, something in the background, well, can you hear it? It's just, well, you guys already know. Something is in the washing machine. Ew, ew. I have this really cool golden slime. I'm having it in here. I name it Jewel. I'm not adding a lot since I love the golden slime. Actually, gonna add this much. I already had in my hand. It was so fun yesterday. Oh, this is my golden slime. Who's that one? Golden. And yellow. Oh yeah, golden yellow. Yeah, they both are jewel. They both are jewel. I have 2 jewels. I don't have that much right now, guys, because remember, I don't really want to put a lot of my slimes down. But this one is all around straight glitter. Like, this is glitter glue, basically. So I'm going to add some of that in it. Before in the video, I'm just like, nah, I'm not going to add it at all, because this won't make it so bad, but it's part of my slime. You can't just leave that one hanging out. I love my slime. I'm gonna mix it good. Next I have this Lila. I call it Lila. It's purple. Purple. It's a purple Lila. More. Trying to get the same amount of everything. This is a straight up red one. I'm not adding a lot on these ones because these ones are a small batch. Right, they're not a lot. Oh, I have this one and then one more. This one is, I have no clue, but this is one of my slimes. Yeah, my glitter slime and my straight up glitter slime. Its name is Rainbow. This one is, I have no clue. Ooh, this is a straight blue one. I'm naming it Ocean. I might take in some, probably like, get some like little dolphin thing toys. I could probably use it and it'll be so cool. Like the sandals. So guys, I'm done with my slimes. I'm just gonna put it back all in here. Yes guys, it went quick because I didn't name them all, but I have a lot of slimes. So yeah, here is my slime that I'm gonna be mixing up now. Ooh. So yeah guys, first video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and get this video to 500 likes. So I'm just kneading it. We might just say, wow, how is my light just came off? Well, I have an electric light. I have 2 electric lights, and one of them, they come off by themselves. So yeah guys, this is what the finished product looks like. I'm going to stretch it. There's flubber slime in here, so it might not stretch as much. See? Some of the slimes don't stretch as much. So yeah, I'm going to be giving it a poke test. Cool poke test actually. So yeah guys, please stay tuned and watch all my other videos. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and have a wonderful day. Remember, get this video to 500 likes. Bye!